Hey, this is Pete from Abstract-Ocean. Today we're going to take a quick video installing our multifunction padded armrest cover, I think is what it's called on the site. But this is what it looks like. It's actually super simple but super practical. This is one of the things we drive with every day in both of our cars. So what I'm going to do, show you how to fit it real quick, and then a quick 10-second tour of the product. So to get it fitted, we're going to go ahead and just slide it over. In terms of the direction and everything else, these three large pieces of elastic go at the bottom, this stringer goes at the top. I'm just going to bring it around here, slide it down. So you want it so that obviously this edge is flush with the top of the armrest, and then this piece goes across here. So what this gives you, now that it's installed, you also get a really nice padded area for your elbow and arm. It's really comfortable. But on top of that, you get storage. So you get storage on each side for whatever you want to put in there. So lip balm, glasses cleaner, whatever. That's great. And then if you open it up, you also get a little secret compartment here behind the elastic. So maybe you got some lip balm, or some hand sanitizer. We're going to put that behind there. So it just makes more use of the space, as well as just making your drive a little more comfortable. So that's it. That is the padded armrest cover for Model 3 and Model Y.